crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we are going to wrap some socks. So I found a pair of socks, super cute. Snoopy, he is buried under the snow, and then Woodstock is kind of like right on top of him. Sorry I didn't have a new pair of socks for this demonstration, but this was, it's relatively clean and relatively new. So anyway, I'm going to put that aside for a second, and we are going to take our square sheet of paper. This is a 9-inch square, and then you're going to flip it around. So what you want to do is you want to fold up from the bottom, just like that. Just fold enough to so that you have a little bit of leeway and you can put glue on it. So we're going to fold that up and crease it in. And then we're going to take the entire thing and we're going to fold it in half again. Fold it in half one more time. And then crease it in. So now let's fold in from the right side towards the middle, and we're going to fold in about 2 inches. It doesn't have to be exact, so I'm just going to guesstimate. Do the exact same thing on this side. Should be even, but you can just eyeball it. Crease it in. Now grab a pair of scissors, and we're going to cut right at the corner over here. So just snip off little bit of that, little bit right here, and do the same thing on this side. So boop, and there we go. Clean that up, and now when you open it up, you got your little candy shape. Let's unfold everything. Grab your glue stick or some double-sided tape. And then we're going to put glue right here. Here. And over here. Now let's fold everything back. And then glue this tab to here. Now take your pair of socks, roll it up, pretend these are brand new. Stick it right in the middle. Grab some ribbon. This looks to be enough. Tie a little bow. Same thing over here. And that is how you wrap a pair of socks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very happy holiday and a happy new year. If you enjoy that, be sure you hit the subscribe button for crafty fun all year round, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.